Somewhere deep in the black forests of Germany lays this hidden traditional chocolate factory. With its rich history and decay, this place is truly something unique. Discover with us and find out about the hidden past of this former chocolate factory. When heading to this place, we pretty much had no background or pictures of this place. The only thing we knew was that this was a former chocolate factory. Finding an entrance was luckily not that hard. The real problem was that we heard sounds coming out of the building. Nevertheless, we got in the building. Here we immediately noticed the heavy state of decay. The sound which we were hearing also was more noticeable. What seemed was that a guy was cutting trees right next to us, so we had to be really careful. So we quietly ventured on into the main room. And well, this we really didn't expect it. What made it unique though was that pretty much all of the historic machinery and workstations were all still in place. In my opinion, it really doesn't get better than this. Heavy decay and some old machinery. Scattered through the halls were all kinds of former artifacts, which refer to the production of chocolate. For example, the old wrappers and tinfoil for the chocolate bars. But which really made it visible were the old molds for the products. But okay, let's get into the history of this place. For that we have to go back to Monaco in the 1800s. At this time a man named Karl was head chef for the Prince of Monaco. Unfortunately, after just 1 year of serving this royalty, he got injured, so he wasn't able to work for the prince anymore. So he decided to head back to his hometown to establish his own factory. First he produced mainly vegetarian products, but later he quickly decided to produce chocolate and other sweets. The name of the company quickly became known and beloved in all of Germany, and this with just 19 people in servers in this small factory. Unfortunately, in 1992 the factory closed for good. This was due that the production was never modernized, and so it became completely non-profitable anymore. Today, after nearly 28 years of decay, the condition of the building has become really severe. But okay, the last room we wanted to see in the building was the cellar. Unfortunately, the cellar was quite empty and disappointing. Well, except for this part. This small machine here powered all of the machinery within the building. With its natural sunlight coming from the skylight, this room was just a really nice hidden gem. After this we decided to head out. While heading out though, we found another cool part. These presses here were old packaging machines. With this final cool discovery, we finally headed out. The current future of this factory is really unknown, but with its hidden and remote location, it will probably continue to fall apart.